Good evening, guys. Good evening once again. And now it is evening time on July 14th, Sunday evening. And it is now sunny. It rained a little bit little bit earlier. Now it is sunny. The sun is out, but grass is wet, and there are small puddles of water in the ground. But guys, what I want to make this video about, I want to share my disappointment with the football Euro Cup result. I was hoping that England could win one big trophy in my lifetime, but they again lost. And not like they were favorite or anything, but I think they had a good team. I mean, I don't know if Spain was favorite or not, but I think England should have won this match. And football, I don't know football, soccer, I don't know what you say in your country, but and this game is going to be very frustrating because I watched the first half with a buddy of mine in a video call. So this buddy of mine and me, we were watching this game, and the first half, that poor boy, my friend, my buddy, he has to go to work in the morning, and he was awake at night, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock at night, watching this stupid game. And in the first half, in the whole first half, there was only one shot of goal, which was kind of accurate, which the keeper had to save in the whole one half. In 45 minutes of play, one shot at goal, right towards the end of the half. So sometimes I think MMA Guru is right that this is really not a very good sport. But really, it is not that bad a sport. It is good, it is fun to play it, and fun to watch also. But there should be more exciting moments. In second half, there were 3 goals, I think. And Spain went ahead, and then England came back to equal the score, and there was hope among fans that England will perhaps pull it off. But I don't know, man. They again failed. They keep losing in every major sport. In cricket they lose, in soccer they lose, and they don't have many good players in any other sport. None. Basketball, swimming, athletics, not very good sports. When they have, England used to be such a great country, Great Britain, they ruled the world, great empire they built, and now they're gone from every country, and now they can't win in any sport. It is so sad. There is only one champion I can think of in UFC. His name is, Tom Aspinall, and I think Tom Aspinall is scheduled to lose his next fight against Curtis Blade soon, in front of, I think it is in London. So Curtis Blade will lose that match, and that will be, I don't think that will be disappointing because he will lose to American fighter. Curtis Blade is my favorite fighter. Not my favorite fighter, but one of my favorite fighters, especially in the heavyweight division. So I think Curtis Blade will defeat him. But anyways, switching back to football, guys, I am very disappointed due to 2 disappointing results, the one in Wimbledon and the one in soccer now. And now they have one more event to go, one more final, Argentina and Colombia. Now this, whoever wins, I will not be disappointed because both teams I like, and if Colombia wins, then it will be like a feel-good story. I don't know if Colombia has won Copa America in the past or in recent years, but if they win, it will be good because back in the day, Colombia had interesting players. Like I mentioned in my last video, René Higuita, Valderrama, these were cool characters, and it will be nice if they could win this championship. If not, then Messi will win another championship. Messi is a great player, and I did not like him, but I appreciate him now. And also, but I think Cristiano Ronaldo is better. So between the two, I would choose Cristiano Ronaldo in my team. But Messi is also very good player. One of the best ever, for sure, no doubt about it. Anyways, guys, so I hope the rest of the evening is good now, and tomorrow is another day, and I will make more videos for you. soon. So like keep liking my videos, comment and share with your friends, family. Share my content, it is good content. And guys, enjoy your evening. See blue sky above, it is such a nice view from here to look up and see blue sky. And if you look down, you see green grass with white flower, yellow flower. So it is all very nice. And there is a wet grass, some puddle of water or stream of water in the sidewalk. It is all good, guys. So anyway, guys, enjoy, have fun, and I hope you have good week next week. And then I will talk to you later. Okay, guys. So bye. Bye.